Hi Elie, thanks for letting us come over.
No problem.
Your house looks amazing.
Thank you.
StoneSet's kind of like the finishing welcome mat to your home, the finishing touch.
Yeah.
Tell us a bit more about yourself, what your job is.
Look, I'm an architectural draftsman, so I draw plans all day, every day. I get people coming to my office, which is inside, on a daily basis, and I recommend different products to people, different finishes. We do a lot of work, do a lot of renovations, a lot of new builds, and from time to time we actually get involved with the client, help him out with his finishing of the house. And you guys are one of the products that I do recommend.
Your home looks amazing. I see you've gone for like a nice modern, clean lines, white and grey sort of look. Yeah. Tell us a bit more about your house.
The house took us probably about a year to design. 14 months to build. We've sort of gone for a pretty modern finish to the house, and why we finished it with probably the most modern finish to a driveway we could find.
And the guys managed to get time-lapse footage of the project, which is really cool because I can watch it back in fast time.
Okay.
But how long did it kind of take the whole process in real time?
I think it was over a 1 day period.
So were you pretty happy with how fast it
one day was
around?
pretty good. They said not to drive over it for a day, and then it was ready for us. So we were pretty much done and dusted within a day and a half. It was done.
I know for your driveway in particular, I actually made a sample up. We made a custom colour for you.
Yeah, it was really good. We're trying with the other companies. They said they couldn't put in a specific colour, like the charcoal stone. As you guys were able to do it for us, and which picks up a lot of the darker colours on the house. So that's why we were really happy with that finish.
And I know that you kind of said in the sun you wanted to kind of have a bit of a sparkle from like a granite sort of look.
Yep.
Are you happy with the colour overall?
The white little speck, I suppose, brightens it a bit, but it doesn't detract from that colour that we're going with the charcoals in the house.
Brilliant. And how would you recommend it in terms of pricing? I know that there's different things on the market that would come in cheaper than StoneSet. It's not the cheapest thing on the market, but how did you find it in terms of pricing overall, and how would you recommend the pricing?
Well, look, when you compare what everyone's doing, there are things that are cheaper and there are things that are more expensive. But when you want to get a finished product that I suppose you have a guarantee on, you've got the background where if something does happen to the driveway, you guys are happy to come out and have a look at it and see what you can do to fix it. That sort of comes into play. You don't want to buy the cheapest thing because that's what you get. You sort of get what you pay for. But you have to obviously add up the value of the product and what it looks like and how it's finished.
Definitely.
And so like I said, there are people more expensive than you guys. But we ended up coming with you guys because you got recommended to us. A friend of mine is a concreter, and he said, look, I've seen the finished product in the property that we did at Russell Lee, and he was very happy with it. So his word, and that's what I got.
I guess it's good to know it's kind of like that in-between point. It's not the cheapest, it's not the most expensive.
No, that's right.
But you're getting a customised sort of what you want, and you're getting that guarantee, which I think a lot of people, it's really hard to get such a good guarantee with things, especially driveways, which are prone to...
Drive over it every day and don't have an issue.
I mean, it really does look amazing.
I've brand new.
It does. When I arrived, I was thinking, wow, like, how long ago did we lay this? It still looks like it was done yesterday.
I washed it all for you. The work told was to keep it, I suppose, between 16 to 20 mil lower than the driveway, at the side of the garage. So we did that. We sort of set down the concrete base a little bit lower so that you guys could put your topping on. We were told to scratch the surface give it a really rough finish so that your material would stick to it and it wouldn't be a problem. And that was a good idea, I think. That was the main two things that we were told to do. And I know that you were really great and you left the drains up quite high, which was really good because sometimes people run into a problem there. Having the drains high was really good, and guys were just able to cut it down. With the little tap that we put on the drain around the place. But that was about it. That was the prep that we needed to do, which wasn't a lot, which was good. And then you guys came in and did rest. And everybody that comes past and sees it, even builders that I know that come past and pick up plans from me, they ask about the driveway and who did the driveway. And
Oh, brilliant.
You are the company that we recommend.
Yeah, amazing.